say we were here, you know, so it builds a case. Yeah, the GoPro saw us. Like, so we're covered, dude. Oh yeah. How you doing? Nice. What gear? Perfect. That guy's hauling ass. Seriously. I really like this trail. Yeah. Oh, fuck. We're about to get back on the street, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, never mind. You can do the dirt trail for now. Fuck, it's cold. Send it. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, that was nice.
Earn income.
I know. We're gonna get out of Sand Canyon and get back to the other side of the freeway. Yeah, try to get to the 405 freeway. That's our goal. We'll stay on the trail until we get to the freeway. Long. Let's go this way. This is the perfect way right here. This follows the freeway. I just didn't know it was called Shady Canyon. Damn, that smell. You can go off-roading over there.